to change profile picture on Discord, in this video I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to change Discord profile picture. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the preferred browser on your device and on the web address bar type in discord.com. Then press enter on your keyboard, which will lead you to the official site of Discord. Now simply click on Open Discord button at the top right corner of the screen to access Discord. Make sure you have already signed in or logged in to your Discord account. So as you can see that we have set the default profile picture on Discord. So in order to change it, you need to click on this user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now on this user settings panel, click on profiles and then simply select the icon or the edit icon or the pencil-like icon on this profile pictures preview panel. Once you do that, you can easily select change avatar or change decorations option. Right now let's choose change avatar. So here you can easily upload images, or you can also click on this prepared GIF and easily add as profile picture. But now here I want to upload images of my own, so let's click on upload image. And here you need to select any locations of your image and open it. Once you've done that, you need to click on this open button, and here you have the option to zoom in or crop the image. You can also use this slider and place it anywhere you wish to. Once done, select on this apply button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on save changes button. Once you have done that, as you can see that our profile picture has already been changed on Discord.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.